Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about COVID-19 and its impact of Latin America and the world also. So, was a difficult time. COVID-19 is one of the most important global health challenges of recent years because it affected millions of people and changed the way we live, we work, and interacting with others. So we can see more information in the next page. Um, Here, background information. COVID-19 is infectious disease caused by the SARS-CoV-2 virus. The first case were identified in China. We can remember that difficult time. In late 2019, the virus spread rapidly around the world. So we can live at that time. It was really horrible. In March 2020, the World Health Organization declared COVID-19 a global pandemic. So was so impacting live this situation. The disease mainly spread through respiratory droplets when infected people cough, sneeze, or talk. And the next page, we can see COVID-19 affecting millions of people worldwide and cause millions of deaths that affect all the world in different countries and different cultures. Vaccinator programs play an important role in reducing severe illness and saving lives. In American countries such as Brazil, Mexico, Argentina, and Peru were among the most affected. Was the people that solved the situation in terrible way. The pandemic placed enormous pressure on healthcare systems and medical workers. We can see the next page. So, COVID-19 impact of Latin American in the world. So it was so difficult to remember the situation. The pandemic had major social, economic, and health effect. Schools were closed, affecting the education of millions of students around the world. So many businesses have to close temporarily, causing unemployment and economic loss. Another business lost forever. Hospitals become overcrowded and healthcare workers face difficult conditions. Was difficult to see the news. The tourism industry and international trade also suffered significant decline. So every industry around the world suffered for this situation. Several international organizations worked together to fight against COVID-19. The World Health Organization, or WHO, provides scientific guidance and recommendation. So the Pan American Health Organization, known as PAHO, supporting countries in Latin America by providing information, medical supplies, and technical assistance. So in the next global vaccinator program helped reduce hospitalization and deaths worldwide. So we can see the next page. Let me see. Possible solution. To better respond to the future pandemic, countries should strengthen healthcare system and hospital system to provide or to give more result to the population. Government should improve disease surveillance and early warning systems. It also important to invest in medical research and new technologies. Another key solution is ensuring equal access to vaccine and treatments for all countries. That was really effective in the pandemic. Finally, international cooperation is essential because disease can spread across borders very quickly. So, in conclusion, we can see that was terrible issues that affected every person, every in the world. In conclusion, COVID-19 show how interconnected the world is. The pandemic affected health, economics, education, and daily life across Latin America and all the world. Also, significant progress has been made. Countries must continue working together to prepare for future health emergencies. Uh, that pandemic helped us to know that we are connected. That is really important and really effective to work to the education, but it's really difficult to face a pandemic because the connection is immediately and the illness spread in a way so quickly. Thanks for watching.